First of all, for crochet, you need to have a hook. This is the hook. The hook, you buy it depending on the yarn you're going to use. So when you go to buy the yarn, you tell them, I need a hook that goes with the yarn you buy. We're going to start by making the slip knot. This is how we start crocheting. So the best thing is that you put your fingers like this, okay? You put the beginning of the thread. This is the beginning of the thread. You put it like this. Then you take this thread, you turn it like this, and you cross it over like this. You cross it over like this. Then you turn around like this. You put the hook from here to there. You pull it out. And you just... Then you take the part, not the part, this part is the small part where you started, the other part, and you grab it like this. And there you have the slip knot. I'm going to show you again. This is from where the beginning of the yarn, this is the beginning. You put your finger like this and you put it like this. Then you turn around the yarn, the other part of the yarn where you have the yarn. You turn it like this, you cross it on the other side. You turn around. You put the hook, insert it from here. You grab it from here and you pull it out like this. Then you take the two threads, you pull them. Then you take not the short one where you started, you take the other one and you pull it like this. And that is the slip knot. We're starting with the chain. It's very easy to make the chain. The chain, all you have to do, you have the stitch here. You turn the thread on the hook like this and you pull it inside here. You turn the thread on the hook like this and you put it inside here like that. Again, you turn the thread on the hook and you pull it inside here. You turn the thread on the hook and you put it inside here. And that is the chain. Now we're going to do the slip stitch. For the slip stitch, you put the hook in the chain over here. You put the thread over there, you pull it inside and you pull in the stitch. Again, you go in the chain over there. Here you have the thread, you pull it outside and you pull it in the other stitch. Again, you put it here. You turn the thread on it, you pull it like this, and you slip it with the other chain. Again, you put over here. Here you have the thread. This goes in, you pull it like this, and you pull it like that. And that is the slip stitch. Going to do the single crochet or double crochet, depends how you call it. Again, you're going to do like we did in the slip stitch. You put the hook over there, you pull up a stitch, but this time you have to turn the thread again on the hook like this, and you pull it inside like this. Again, you put the thread over there. You pull it like this, thread on the hook, and you pull them out together. Again, you go from here, pull the thread, turn it, and you pull them together. I'm going to show you one last time. Put the thread over here, the hook over there, you pull up the thread like this, pull up a stitch, turn the thread, and you pull them out and together. And that is the single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now we're going to do the half treble or half double crochet, depending how you call it. So we start, we turn the thread on the hook like this. We go here, we pull up a stitch. We have 3 here, as you can see. We turn the thread again and we slip them out together. We turn the thread on the hook like this. We go here, we pull the stitch. We have 3. We turn the thread and we slip them out together. Again, we turn the thread on the hook. We go here, we pull it up, and we slip the 3 of them together. I'm going to show you one last time. You turn the thread on the hook. You go here, you pull up a stitch. You have 3 stitches, as you can see. You turn the thread again, and you slip the 3 of them together. And that is half treble or half double crochet, how you call it. Now we're going to do the treble or double crochet, if you call it treble, or you can call it double crochet, depending from where you are. The English say treble, the USA they say double crochet. So we turn the thread on the hook like this. We go here, we pull up a stitch like we did before, and we have 3. Now we're going to turn the thread again on the hook. This time we're not going to pull them, the 3 of them together. We're going to slip 2 first together, turn the thread again, and slip the last 2. Again, turn the thread on the hook. We go here, we pull up a stitch, we turn the thread, this time 2, we slip 2, turn it again, and you slip the last 2. Again, you turn the thread on the hook. You go here, you pull up a stitch, you turn the thread, you slip 2, you turn it again, and you slip the other 2. Again, turn the thread on the hook. You go here, you pull up a stitch, turn the thread, slip the first 2, turn the thread again, and slip the last 2. And that is the treble or double crochet. Now we're going to do the double treble or treble crochet, depending how you call it. So the double treble, you turn the thread 2 times on the hook, this time not 1, 2 times, like this. You go here, you pull up a stitch, and all you have to have 4 stitches on the hook. You turn the thread, and you're going to slip 2 at a time. We slip 2, we turn the thread again, we slip the next 2, we turn the thread again, and we slip the other 2. Again, you turn it 2 times, double treble, so you turn it 2 times on the hook, the yarn. You go there, you pull up a stitch, as you can see we have 4, turn the thread, you slipped 2, turn the thread, you slip another 2, turn the thread, and you slip the last 2. We do it again. You turn the thread 2 times on the hook, you go here, pull up a stitch, you have 4 stitches, as you can see. You turn the thread, you slip 2, you turn the thread, you slip the other two, you turn the thread and you slip the last two. And that is the double treble or treble crochet. Now we're going to do the triple treble or double treble, how you call it. So for the triple treble, this time we're going to turn it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. We go here, we pull up a stitch, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. And we're going to slip them 2 at a time, like we did before. That is 1, that is 2, that is 3, and that is 4. Again, you turn it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You go here, you pull up a stitch, you slip 2 at a time. 2, 2, 2, and 2. Again, you turn it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You go here, you pull up a stitch, and you slip 2, 2, 2, and 2. Again, turn it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You go here, you pull up a stitch, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You turn the thread, you slip 2. You turn the thread again, you slip another 2. You turn the thread again, you slip another 2. You turn the thread again, and you slip the other 2. And that is the triple treble or double treble. Those are the main stitches that you use in crochet. Almost you use them every time, the stitches that I showed you. If you know these stitches, you will know how to crochet. Hope that you found this video interesting, you understood what I was doing, and that you start crocheting. Bye for now.